I've been fortunate enough to take 2 Pro D sessions with Melanie, and so I was really looking forward to seeing her in action with our students because, as we know, they can be a tougher audience than a group of PE teachers. So it was really neat to see her, just how adaptive she was. When something wasn't working, she just threw it out and started over. My favorite thing about dance play is the energy and the positivity. And the positivity is something that several of our students commented on after Melanie came in. They really enjoyed her energy and her positive attitude. The other thing is it's very social, and it's very interactive, which is great because the kids are moving the entire time and they're interacting with each other, and it's an important part of our dance unit, and it's also it aligns really well with the new curriculum. So I would recommend dance play to any PE teachers that are looking to spice up their dance program or the dance unit of their physical education program.